Hello, thank you for being in a new video. I have here with me the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, Xiaomi's top of the line device. Let's give you some first impressions. Let's get started. There are several things we could highlight about this device, but of course what stands out the most is the tremendous camera module. Although I've already told you that having everything under a single glass makes me a little afraid that it's going to break or something. We don't know if it has any special glass to protect back here. Up front it does have Gorilla Glass Victus, and it's something that was already expected since it's a high-end device. In fact, it's also among the few Xiaomi devices that are IP68 certified to withstand being submerged in water. This is the black color edition. All editions have this leather-like finish that is very nice to the touch. There is also over here the other edition in green color, which is actually also very nice and very pretty. With this edition, we also get to see this embossing that it has. It is a little difficult to demonstrate in the camera, but it is very curious that it has this relief. At the bottom, it is at the same level, and then it is obviously raised to place here all the sensors and lenses of the mega photographic system that it has. Finally, this is the last of the colors available, white, and it looks very nice too. I think this will be my favorite of the whole series. The screen, obviously being high-end, is going to have the highest quality that one would expect, but let me describe to you one of the most important features, specifically talking about the camera section. Pay close attention to the camera that's in the top left corner, because notice right now it has the aperture f4.0, meaning it's closed. Let's open it up to f1.9 now, and what do you think? It looks amazing. Obviously this little change can make the focus vary in a nicer way. We have a more uniform focus when the aperture is more closed, and in low light conditions we can open up the aperture to have more light coming in. So that's one of the standout features of this device, no question about it. All the cameras are 50 megapixel. That's why the module is so massive. Imagine putting so many high resolution sensors back there. So we have the main one with f1.9 aperture. We have the ultra wide with f1.8 aperture, which is also quite bright for ultra wide. And then we have 3.5x telephoto, and finally 5x telephoto. So the zoom is not as aggressive as Samsung in terms of the optical zoom, but in digital zoom we get to where obviously it will already look a little bit exaggerated, but it can draw attention as well. And well, this has been a very basic and very quick tour on this Xiaomi device that for the moment is sold exclusively in China. Do not know if later it will have some global distribution or something like that. But I hope you like this video, so you know that you can indicate it, and we with this umbrella see you next time.